Hi, this is Gary with Aldan American. Today I want to show you this C10 kit that we're offering. And what's really nice about this kit is it allows you to drop the truck, which everybody wants to do, get the truck down good and low, and also improves your handling tremendously. And what's really nice about this kit is it's a dedicated coilover kit. So the lower arm has this lower mount that's built into the arm, so it doesn't have any adapters or anything else like that to install a coilover kit. Now the upper control arm bracket, we do change the bracket on the frame. We also have to drill a 4-inch hole in the top of the cross member. So we include this template, and we also have some cheap silver washers and nuts. And what you're going to do is with this template, space it off of the cross member so that the teeth of a 4-inch hole saw are below it, and you can just drill straight through the top of the cross member. Nice clean cut. Makes it very easy to install the upper brackets. And this also is our SPC adjustable upper control arm. So one of the things that we're doing on this particular kit is we're using the Delrin bushings. This is an option because the original SPC arm comes with a rubber bushing. So we do the Delrin bushings, which is an upgrade for the kit and makes the truck handle a lot better, improves the geometry. You can get more camber, more caster by adjusting the arm. And also these arms are designed with improved geometry, so you are going to be able to get more caster than the original arms had. That'll give you a lot more stability. And also with this SPC arm, it has a taller ball joint, and with the taller ball joint, what it does is it raises your roll center, again improves the handling and the response and how everything works, and makes for an awesome handling truck. Now we also offer the POL upper arm that's not adjustable. You just use the original shims. Included in the kit is either a single or a double adjustable front coilover shock with the correct springs for your application. So included with the kit is all new grade 8 hardware. It's quality hardware, mechanical locking nuts so nothing can come loose, the spanner wrench, everything you see here all in one kit. We also have, and it's not included in the kit, but it's available optionally, is the rear shocks. And I say optionally because there's so many different variations of how the rear has been lowered. And so what we like to do is have you measure your shocks to make sure we get you the correct length shocks for how your rear suspension is lowered. So this is for the C10, and we have variations of the kit between 63 and 87. And the biggest difference is the ball joint. So depending on what year your truck is and what year your spindles are, it's real common to use the drop spindle from a 73 to 87 truck. Make sure you know what you have for your spindles so we can make sure we have the correct kit with the correct ball joints for your application. For more information about this kit, check us out at aldanamerican.com.